Presenting the 2004 GMC Sierra. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: fuel consumption, City 15 mpg, front ventilated disc brakes, engine immobilizer, tilt adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel ABS brakes, rigid axle rear suspension, vehicle emissions, LEV, rear door type, tailgate, and leaf rear spring. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.